everyone, welcome back in my another video. Pankaj here. So today I will explain how you can link your Power BI dashboard in your Power Apps. Okay, so this is my Power BI dashboard. Okay, which one is live on my Power BI online. Okay, so how you can link this dashboard in Power BI apps. Okay, so just you need to go your Power BI dashboard, and here you need to go on the file option. Okay, make sure this is on editable mode. Okay, so here you need to go on file option, and here is embed option. Okay, just you need to select this one, and here you able to view the link. Okay, just you need to copy this link. Okay, and here you need to insert Power BI tile. Okay, so you need to search the Power BI tile. Okay, and insert it. Let me set the size of this as a flexible width. So now I need to go the tile URL. Okay, so here I need to insert link this one, which one I copy. Okay, so I need to insert this link in double inverted comma. Just you need to paste it. Now you able to view your dashboard here. Now you can check. Now your old dashboard showing here, and you can check all things here. Okay, and you can also apply the filter from here, and here is many things. Okay, you can export the data also in the Excel and showing the table also. So this is Power BI dashboard, which one you able to view in the Power Apps. So thank you so much in this video. If you need any help, please let me know.